Once upon a time, there was a young man who worked at a factory. He was hardworking and quiet. His mentor, an old technician, gave him one important piece of advice: talk less, do more, and never stop learning. The young man followed this advice every single day. He worked in every part of the factory and kept learning new things. After 10 years, the old technician retired. The young man took his place and became the new technician. He continued to work with the same dedication, never showing off, never complaining. One day, he went to visit his old mentor. The old man noticed something was wrong. "What's troubling you, son?" he asked. The young man sighed and shared his heart. "I've worked hard for years. I've stayed quiet and focused, just like you taught me. I've learned everything there is to learn at the factory. But others who have less experience than me are getting promotions. They make more money, get more respect, and I'm still in the same place. Why is that happening?" The old man listened carefully. Then he asked, "Are you sure that you've become truly important to the factory?" The young man nodded. "Yes, I know they need me." The old man thought for a moment, then said, "Take a day off. Just one day. Use any reason you like. It's time to test something, and also give yourself a little break." The young man was confused, but trusted his mentor. He applied for a day off. When he returned the next day, the manager called him in. "Things went wrong yesterday," the manager said. "No one could fix the problems like you do. We didn't realize how much we depend on you." That day, the young man was promoted to senior technician. He felt grateful for his mentor's advice. From that moment, he believed he had found the secret to success. So whenever he felt he deserved more or wasn't being appreciated, he would take a day off. And each time he returned, things improved, just like before. This pattern went on for months. But one day, something strange happened. When he came back from another day off, his ID didn't work. He was blocked from entering the factory. Shocked, he asked around and was told that his job had been terminated. He was speechless. Feeling lost, he went back to the old mentor. With pain in his voice, he asked, "Why did I lose my job?" "I followed your advice. I did exactly what you told me." The old man looked at him kindly, but with sadness. "No, son. You only followed half the advice." "Half?" the young man asked. The mentor said, "You learned quickly that no one notices a light bulb that's always on. Only when it goes out do people realize how important it was. But you were in such a hurry to use this knowledge that you left before hearing the second half." The young man felt his heart sink. What was the second half? The old man said softly, "If a light bulb keeps going off again and again, people stop trusting it. Eventually, they replace it with a new one that's more reliable. That's what happened to you." He paused and then added, "In life, people often take the good things for granted, like friends or family who are always there. We don't see their value until they are gone. Don't wait for that day. Appreciate them now. And also, don't let others take you for granted. But remember, you can't just stop doing your work or walk away every time things done to go your way. Life is about balance. If you find that balance between being helpful and being respected, then life will reward you by bringing balance back into your own life." Moral of the story: do your best work, stay humble, keep learning, but never let yourself be taken for granted. And don't stop everything just because things aren't perfect. Life is about balance. Find it and keep it.